with another video, and where's the lighting at? So again, I'm here with MommaB. I love my mama. You want to say anything, Mom? But yeah, I'm back with MommaB in another video. We're going to be doing the whisper wow, loyal. So yeah, we're going to be doing the whisper challenge. We got 4 sentences, 4 or 5 sentences to whisper to each other, and we have our headphones, and she's gonna, yeah, we're just gonna try and guess what each other is saying. We actually did a video on this before, but I didn't push the mic in, so yeah, that was actually a funny one, and I'm sort of punching myself, but yeah. Let's get into it. Gang gamo, mama. Gang gamo. Ah, I always do paper first. Gang gamo. Ah, why did I do that? Gang gamo. Ah! I should punch. I predict I'm gonna lose. I was supposed to do scissors.
It fell far from the tree.
I was supposed to do scissors, and I'm so mad, bro. Okay, let me get my music. By the way, I'm listening to Sangria by Remy. If y'all know, I love Remy. So be lying, good listen, y'all.
I love.
Never Ever Sierra is the shizzle. Right.
Oh, okay. Ready? Round 1.
I can't even hear you.
You will never get married until I die.
Something, Mary Chocolate.
You will never get married until I die.
Ready?
Last one.
No, because if you're too close, I can't.
If you're too close, you can't hear me. You would never get married until I die.
I'm not gonna get married till I'm 90.
Yeah, that's no.
What was it?
You would never get married until I die.
Oh, I knew I was like married or something. I couldn't get the first part. Damn it. So Mum's listening to Never Ever by Sierra. Alright. 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 Guys, I'm gonna get her with this one. Go wash your bum, please.
I want your bum. You know I can't filter.
Go wash your bum, please.
Can you like...
Nah, you didn't do that to me. Go wash your bum.
No one wants your money.
Go wash your bum, please.
Go wash your bum, please. Go wash your bum. One.
Got it.
Round 2. Life is like a box of lemons. Life is like a box of lemons.
Talk slow, talk slow.
Nah, you don't do that to me. Nah. Life is like a box of lemons.
Toilet.
I said it 3 times now. One more. Life is like a box of lemons.
I don't know what you're saying.
2. Life is like a box of lemons.
I knew you were saying life. Life is like a box of lemons. Alright. Dang, I didn't get that one. That's too bad. You ready? A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D, E.
You're going like this.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G.
No.
I'm trying to not make it obvious what I'm saying. A, B, C, D, E, F, G.
No, not a long one.
It's not a long one. Yours was long.
Start again, go.
A, B, C, D, E, F, yeah.
It's not fair.
Nah, your one I couldn't even tell. One more. A, B, C, D,
I am a pig because
E, F, G.
and cheetah.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G.
Oh no! Well, you go like this. A, B, C, D, E. You should go A, B, C, D, E.
You know how I
F,
said
G.
it? Because I knew you were going to get it straight away, so I said A, B, C, D.
Song ka muli nga ni. Gosh.
Let's prepare, man.
Go. Round 3. I sing better than you.
Something better than you.
Ready? I sing better than you.
MommaB is better than you. Wait, the song is finishing.
Okay. I sing better than you. One more, eh? I sing better than you.
But one more.
No! I sing better than you.
Better than you. What was it?
I sing better than you.
Oh, what? Man, I think
3.
I think because we did it the first time, now that we're used to it,
3, 1.
it's hard to get it. Dang it! Alright, you guys ready for this?
Oh no, sorry, not 3, 1.
Tiro mai ngā iwi.
Hold on, turn it down.
No. Yeah, it's hard, eh? Tiro mai ngā iwi.
Oh, I hate your ones. You go like this.
Nah, that's you.
No, that's you, bro.
Tiro mai ngā iwi.
You're my... I was going to say you're my gay.
You okay? Tiro mai ngā iwi.
Sexy,
My iwi.
my boyfriend.
One more. Tiro mai ngā iwi.
CAT scan, Aww. Eh.
Tiro mai ngā iwi.
No! No. Uffa, no foreign. No, that's me. 3.
Okay, fine then. I got one more. So because it's only
Not
5.
fair.
Da na 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 na.
Tiro mai
Na
na.
na. No. Da na 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 na.
La 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 mama la.
Da na na na.
La 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 la.
Batman.
Mabala. It looks like you're going la 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 la.
Da na 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 Batman.
My bags.
One more. Da na 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 Batman.
I'm moving out of home.
What? Da na 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 Batman.
No, I'm not. 3, 1. I won this round, so it's 3. 3.
But you should have seen before I was winning.
Whatever. You are going to massage my back after this.
Not a paragraph.
Essay. You're going to massage
Going to
my
Macy's
back after this.
after this.
Yeah, that's right. No. Going to massage my back after this.
You're going to make me a cup of tea after this.
Oh yeah. You're going to massage my back after this.
You're going to make something after this.
No.
I know you're gonna make an end of it.
You're going to massage my back after
I was like, it's a mess.
this. You were going, yeah, I will.
No, I didn't. You wish, woman. Alright. Mushroom. Mushroom. Mushroom.
Bisham.
Mushroom.
Mushroom.
I knew you were gonna say that. Mushroom.
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 Mushroom, yeah?
You got it.
Got it.
Mushroom. See?
You're gonna lie.
Nah, the first round was too good, man. Like, we had ones that were too good. This round, I couldn't think of anything, but...
I won. So that means if I won...
There's no deal.
No, if I won, you have to put all
That
those
means I have to shove all
marshmallows
those...
in your
Oh,
mouth.
yeah, okay.
And I put all the marshmallows in your mouth.
Oh, I put it in my room, that's true.
Come on,
Oh, I'll get it. Oh, you sure? Oh, I was gonna get it, Mum.
How do you put food in your room?
Because it's got other stuff in the bag, that's why. I'll eat this one. How many?
Ah!
How many?
3. Ah!
Oh, wow.
Ah! 4, 5. 6, 7, 8, 9. Right, hurry up. 9. Has to be the whole bag. Say hurry up. I'll poo. Put some down your throat. 9. Yeah, right. Before we stop playing, you stop playing. Ooh, ah. Oh, more. 12. Oh no, yeah, 12. Nose. Ooh, you're disgusting. Thumbs down. Ooh. Você cama aí. Okay. Okay. And the point of this is you lost. Hey, look at her pants. Well, because she's busy. Oh. I want to thank you very much for watching, subscribing, thumbs up, and clicking on the bell. And ooh. If you're new to this channel, thank you. Thank you very much. And take care.